Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to book a flight on the trip.com app step by step. This is a complete beginner friendly guide, so make sure you watch till the end because I'll also share some useful tips that can help you save money and avoid common mistakes while booking your ticket. So let's get started. First of all, open the trip.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app installed yet, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for trip.com and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app and wait for it to load. Now, the first thing you need to do is sign in to your account. On the main screen, you will see the sign in option. Tap on it. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you will need to register. You will see options like continue with Google, continue with email, or continue with Facebook. Choose the one that is most convenient for you. For example, if you select continue with Google, just pick your Google account and you will be logged in instantly without entering extra details. After logging in, you will be taken to the home page. Here you will see different services like hotels, flights, trains, and more. Since we want to book a flight, tap on the flights option. This will open the flight booking section. Now you will see different options such as one-way, return, and multi-city. If you are traveling to a destination and coming back, select return. If you only need a one-way ticket, you can select that instead. For this tutorial, we will go with return. Next, tap on the departure city section. A list of countries and cities will appear. Choose the city you are traveling from. After that, tap on the destination section and select the city where you want to go. Always double check the spelling and location to avoid booking the wrong destination. Now it's time to choose your travel dates. Select your departure date first, then choose your return date. Be very careful while selecting dates because mistakes here can lead to extra charges later. You will also see an option for travel class such as economy or business class. Economy is budget friendly, while business class offers more comfort and additional services. Choose according to your needs and budget. Once everything is set, tap on the search button. The app will now show you a list of available flights for your selected route and dates. You will see different airlines, departure times, arrival times, layovers, and ticket prices. This is where you need to take your time and compare options. You can also use filters to make your search easier. For example, you can filter flights by price range, duration, airline, or departure time. This helps you quickly find the best flight that matches your schedule and budget. After comparing all the options, select the flight that suits you best. When you tap on a flight, you will see detailed information such as baggage allowance, flight duration, stopovers, and refund policies. Make sure to read all these details carefully before moving forward. Now you may see different ticket types like economy saver, flexible, or business class. Each option has different prices and benefits. Choose the one that fits your needs. After selecting your flight, you will move to the passenger details section. This is a very important step, so pay close attention. Enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your passport or travel document. Even a small mistake can cause serious issues during check-in or boarding. In some cases, you may not be allowed to travel if the name does not match your ID. Next, select your gender, nationality, and country. Then enter your date of birth carefully. Make sure all the information is accurate. After that, you will need to enter your ID details. Usually, this will be your passport. Enter your passport number and its expiration date. Always check that your passport is valid for your travel dates, as many countries require at least 6 months of validity. Once all details are entered, review everything again. Double check your name, dates, and passport information. This step is very important because correcting mistakes later can cost extra money. Now tap on the confirm button. You will be taken to the payment section. Here you can choose your preferred payment method such as credit card, debit card, or other available options. Enter your payment details and complete the payment process. After the payment is successful, your flight booking will be confirmed. You will receive a confirmation message along with your ticket details. You can also find your booking in the app under the My Trips or Bookings section. It is always a good idea to download your ticket or take a screenshot so you can easily access it later. You may need it at the airport during check-in. Here's a quick tip. Try to book your flights in advance because prices are usually lower when you book early instead of waiting until the last minute. Airlines often increase prices as the departure date gets closer, especially if seats start filling up. So, planning ahead can really help you save a good amount of money. Also, make sure to regularly check for deals, discounts, or promo codes inside the app. Many times, platforms like Trip.com offer special offers, seasonal sales, or limited time discounts that can reduce your ticket cost significantly. You can also turn on notifications so you don't miss any price drops or exclusive deals. Another useful tip is to compare multiple flights before booking. Don't just select the first option you see. Take a few extra minutes to explore different airlines, timings, and routes. Sometimes a slightly different departure time or airline can save you money or give you a more comfortable journey. Always aim to get the best value for your budget instead of just going for the cheapest option. So, overall, booking a flight on the Trip.com app is very simple and convenient if you carefully follow each step. The app is designed to make the process smooth even for beginners. All you need to do is enter the correct travel details, select your preferred flight, and provide accurate passenger information. Just make sure that all your personal details, especially your name and passport information, are entered correctly. Even a small mistake can create problems later during check-in or boarding. It's always a good idea to double check everything before making the payment. Also, take your time while choosing flights and reviewing policies like baggage rules, cancellation terms, and refund options. Being careful at this stage can save you from stress later on. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and useful guides like this. Also, share this video with your friends or anyone who might need help booking flights online. If you have any questions or if you want me to cover a specific topic in the next video, feel free to drop a comment below. I always read your comments and try to help as much as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.